Golden milk has been traditionally used as a healing tonic in Ayurvedic medicine. Also known as turmeric milk, this tonic is not only comforting, but also extremely healing. The star player of this drink is turmeric. Described as the spice of life, turmeric contains more than 150 healing properties. In today's video, you will probably be inspired to make your own beverage at home. There's no need to stress out if you are lactose intolerant. It's not truly milk. It's a blend of coconut milk and oil along with various spices. First, let's head to the kitchen and open up the spice cabinet. Except for the coconut milk, you may already have the ingredients you will need. 1. Turmeric. This potent spice is a natural remedy that's already been dubbed king of relieving joint and muscle pain. Those who incorporate turmeric into their daily diets can also benefit from improved skin conditions. It can enhance gut health and boost our respiratory and immune systems, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. 2. Ginger. Also loaded with effective anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger blends nicely with turmeric to give golden milk its color. 3. Coconut milk. This luscious creamy milk is a powerhouse of vitamin B, magnesium and the good kind of fatty acids. Minerals called electrolytes also swim laps within the coconut milk, which are vital in muscle action, maintaining proper blood pH and many other processes. Coconut oil also boosts the digestive and immune system, helps promote weight loss, and gives our complexion a healthy glow. 4. Black pepper. As potent as turmeric is, it's basically idle until black pepper fires it up to release its secret weapons. Once black pepper activates it, turmeric releases its agents to fight free radicals, treat common cold symptoms, aid in digestion and combat anemia. 5. Honey. Thank goodness for those bees. Without them we wouldn't have this rich syrup loaded with healthy benefits. Honey contains antibacterial properties and can even help our bodies relax so we can get to sleep. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 small fresh ginger root, peeled and minced. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Dash of black pepper. 2 cups of coconut milk. 1 teaspoon honey. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, if desired. Instructions. In a saucepan, pour in the coconut milk and oil. Add spices. Add honey. Heat for 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Pour in a cup, allow it to cool a little and enjoy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.